Welcome to CAD NEST. I am live from Nagar branch. In the previous class, I have told about what is the sketch tools. These are sketch tools. In this class, I would tell you what is the extrude boss and what is the extrude cut. What is the difference between extrude boss and extrude cut. First, I will take simple example. Like I will take simple rectangle. Take a plane, front plane. I will take center rectangle in here like this and will give a dimension. I will take 100 and again the bottom side width is 200. Okay, and go to exit from the sketch. This is exit from the sketch and this is our drawing and select extrude boss. First option, extruded boss or base. So you can see the material will be added. So I want direction. You can select blend or mid plane. I will select mid plane, half of the middle plane. So I will take 50 mm depth. So give right mark. A component will be created like this. This is the extrude boss or base. Extrude boss or base. The next step is extrude cut. The next step is extrude cut. So we will take this face and sketch. So this is your drawing and I will take simple 3 circles. Like this. And this diameter will take 20. This diameter take 10 and this also take 10. The difference between this point to this point we will take 60 and also this side also take 60 and exit from the sketch. So in previous step we have selected extrude boss. In this step I will select extrude cut. So you can see the depth of 50 mm. So you can give through all means up to this surface, bottom surface. So you can see the hole will be created like a diameter 20 mm, diameter 10 mm. So in detailing view you can see this is our extrude material and this is for 3 holes like extrude cut. It will be showing here like this. The material will be cutting in this part. So this is the process of extrude, pass and extrude cut. Thank you for everyone watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel.